To keep flowers fresh, cut 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters, off the ends of the stems before you put the flowers in a vase. Make the cut at an angle so it's easier for the stems to absorb water. Retrim the stems every few days. You should also trim off any leaves that fall below the waterline in the vase so they don't cause bacteria to grow. Change out the water and clean the vase every few days too. You can add 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of clear soda to the water to feed the flowers so they last longer. Or you can crush up an aspirin and mix it into the water, which will lower the water's pH level so it's easier for the flowers to absorb. Try moving your flowers into the fridge at night and then taking them out in the morning, since the cold will help preserve them.